I bought a $15 robe that had been a church choir robe.
This is a great opportunity for us to explain to folks as a judge.
Yeah.
This is interesting. So anyone who's running for the office, it's not even already an elected official, but anyone who's running for the position, let's explain to the voters that there are very specific things that if you're running for judge that you can't speak about in the same way that a lot of other folks running
Right.
for office can. So can you explain that to folks? Because there's not really a tremendous amount of reason for you to have social media when you can't take a stance on a whole lot
Yeah.
of things.
Yeah, no, I mean, and that no, that's not my role is to take a stance on the issues. The role of a judge is to take the law and then apply the law in the different cases that come before them. And if I've got an opinion on something and it's out there and it's widely known, how can people trust me when they come before me when I'm hearing a case based on that? And so that just defeats the whole role. And actually that's why the judges, they wear black robes, because it's because you're supposed to be neutral and not have opinions
Yeah.
preach conceived opinions. So yeah.
Okay, so you're saying that the robe was actually meant to convey kind of that
Yeah.
impartiality, kind of a
The
blank slate.
impartiality.
I'm kind of here. I'm a blank slate. I'm impartial, and well, that makes sense. I had never given it much thought.
Yeah.
I did
And
think,
when it and no, but it's interesting. But it's also interesting too, because like, the robe signifies the office. And one of the things that, I've seen I've seen judges and they've got some very fancy robes and they've got all sorts of things that they wear and everything. But I bought a $15 robe that had been a church choir robe
oh,
because because I represent the people that come before my court. They don't. These are, but these are my neighbors. These are average, everyday people that come before the justice of the peace. We're not practicing in federal court or district court or county court. This is one neighbor that's got a dispute with another neighbor. And if I'm sitting there and I'm wearing a $400 robe with all this fancy on it, how these people relate to me? You know what I'm
mm,
saying? They're
yeah.
gonna look at me like I'm the king of some country. And so, like I said, they're supposed to look at you like this is an unbiased person, and they're gonna hear what I have to say, and they're gonna make a decision.